the freaking life I want to live, guys. Oh!
What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video. That is because we have another e-bike to review. This one's by a company called Tesgo. This is the Tesgo Strength. It is a 20 by 4 inch fat tire bike. Comes with a 750 watt motor, hydraulic brakes, front suspension. I want to transform this into an electric BMX. We're going to swap out that long giraffe stem for a turtleneck stem and BMX bars. We're going to take off those front and rear fenders. We're going to take off that rear rack. This bike is going to look so dope. Then we're going to take it on its first ride. We'll see you guys in a little bit, all right? All right, guys, BMX conversion is finally done. There's only one last thing left to do. That is throw away the giraffe neck stem. All right, let's go ahead and take this bike for a first ride. Look how beautiful it is, though. Oh my goodness. We're about to have some fun. Let's go. All right, guys, this is the first ride of the Tesgo Strength 20-inch fat tire bike, guys. I'm already loving the look now that we switched out the BMX bars. If you guys want to pick one up, head over to davidbrandnew.com. And speaking of turtleneck stem, we actually have a couple of turtleneck stems to deliver, so that's where we're headed. We're gonna go to the UPS store and deliver these stems. I believe this bike is 1,000 watts. I don't know if that's max or if that's the nominal, but so far so good. We're going 27 miles per hour. I'm not even working hard at all. Currently in 8th gear. This bike is freaking flying, okay? Wow, we're still going faster. 30 miles per hour. It's a slight uphill too, guys. 31. I am not working hard at all. I am liking what I'm seeing already. Let's go. We're gonna make a quick pit stop at 7-Eleven. I haven't eaten anything, so I need to get some pizza and a Monster. Your boy needs some more energy. I don't usually carry a bike lock, so how I secure my bike, I like to fold it in half. And then with the turtleneck stem, I like to remove the handlebars. And then I'll just set them on the bike like that. Usually, people don't even know how to put the bike together, so yeah. Hello, can I get this and then a slice of pizza? Thank you. And would you look at that? The bike is still there. This pizza is bomb as hell. Let's go ahead and put this bike back together. Nice. It's nothing like having BMX bars. Not only do they look cool, the ride is way better. You can get your swerve on with these bad boys. Currently going to our next destination, which is the UPS store. Currently going uphill, and this bike is moving. We're going 23 miles per hour. Now, I'm not sure how accurate the screen is. At some point in the video, we will whip out the phone and GPS verify it. This bike also comes with a suspension seat post. So even though it only has front suspension, it feels like it has rear suspension as well. So pretty dope, pretty dope. I'm also liking these hydraulic brakes. They've been working quite well. And I also like this trigger shifter. All right, let's see how fast this bike is downhill. Currently doing throttle only. We are going 28 miles per hour, 29, 31. 32, it's still pushing out power, guys. 33, it's still pushing out power, guys. Still. Oh my goodness. 35 miles per hour downhill, 36. We're still going faster, guys. What is going on with this bike? 36 miles per hour, top speed downhill. I am loving it. Check out the brakes. Oh yeah, quality. Looks like throttle only, this bike is pushing out 27 miles per hour. Oh yeah, we're definitely putting out over 1,000 watts. It actually says it on the screen right there. All right guys, destination number 2. We are at the UPS store about to ship off these stems. Let's go ahead and lock our bike up.
Hey bro, is that bike electric?
Yeah.
How fast is it go?
This one is pretty fast. I was pushing out like 35 miles per hour just now. Yeah, I just got it.
Nice, man.
Yeah, thanks. And there it is. Bike is locked. I just want to ship these off, and can I get a receipt?
Hey, we're good to go.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, have a good day.
All right. What's up, guys? It's a brand new day. We are at the designated spot about to perform this top speed run. I have a really good feeling about this one because I'm pretty sure that this bike is faster than the other folding fat tire e-bikes we've been receiving. The first test is going to be throttle only. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Taking off. Currently going 8 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour, 14 on the dash. Let's see the 0 to 20, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Oh yeah, this bike is flying. Looks like the speedometer is slightly faster. It's reading 27. We're only going 25 miles per hour. Let's see if we can pick up some speed. Here we go. Let's tuck a little bit, Dave. Yeah, boy. 28 miles per hour, 26 in real life. Oh man. Dang, dude, I could have sworn that this bike was gonna be faster. I'm not mad at 28 throttle only, but man, we couldn't squeeze out those 2 extra miles per hour. Next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it all the way up in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Let's crank those pedals. I'm not even sure if this is a cadence sensor or a torque sensor, but we're already moving, already at 20 miles per hour. Let's change the gears. Oh, foot just slipped, it's okay. What's the max speed of this bike? Oh, we're moving now. Here we go. 27, 28, we're gonna go 30 today. Here we go, 29, give me the extra one. Come on. Oh, my legs are burning. You're not gonna give me another mile per hour? Damn it. Whew. Oh yeah. Dude, this bike handles so great with the BMX bars, man. Currently headed over to do the uphill challenge, but boy, oh boy, this suspension has been working great. I like it because you can adjust the pressure and that'll determine how much travel it has. What's up, guys? We're at the designated hill climb test spot, about to perform this hill test. First one's gonna be throttle only. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. We are approaching the incline. Here we go, guys. We test all the bikes on this hill. We've tested other fat tire bikes. Let's see how well the Tesgo does. Currently going 18 miles per hour. Deuces. 15, 14, slowing down. 13, 12, and 11. Come on. 10, it's still pushing up this hill pretty well though. I'm not mad at it. 9 miles per hour. It's okay, you got it. How many watts we pushing out? Over 1,000, I'm sure. Here we go. Oh yeah, and we made it up the hill just fine. You guys already know what time it is. Let's go ahead and go downhill, see how fast she is. Currently going 27, 30, 32, 33, 37 on the dash, you freaking liar. 41 on the dash, 38 in real life though. Oh my God, we are flying. The next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it in pedal assist 5. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Crank those pedals, drop the gears. We're currently in gear 6. This feels good. Let's see how fast we can go up this hill. I'm not gonna give it too much power with these beefy legs. Let's just see how the bike does. Here we go. 21, 18, what's up guys? 17, we're going 16. Barely cranking the pedals. I believe this is a cadence sensor, so all you have to do is rotate the pedals. You'll get the power. We're going 11 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour, 11. Performed a little bit better with pedal assist, guys. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! This is the freaking life I want to live, guys. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna do one more test. This one's gonna be an off-road agility test. It's actually gonna be a little unfair because we switched out the long giraffe stem for BMX handlebars, but it's okay. We'll get a good idea of how this bike rides off-road. Whoa, look at that. Gotta take the shortcut today, even though we take it every day. Woo! Oh my God, that was a puddle. Why do we take off the fenders, guys? Oh no. We're gonna test out the suspension, see how smooth the ride is. Don't forget, we do have a suspension seat post, so it's like having dual suspension. Oh my God, look at us whip around the corner. Woo! Yeah, power delivery on this bike is A1. I don't know how it handles with the giraffe neck stem, but with these BMX bars, this is a beauty, guys. Oh my God. Here we go. Take it easy, technical. Woo! We're pushing the hell out of this thumb throttle. It's upside down, guys. Look at this thing. Oh, there's a puddle. Let's avoid the puddle. Woo! Here's a little jump. Let's see how she does on the jump. Oh my God. You know we got to take her through our little trials course. It's right over here. Ooh, it looks crazy over here. Hopefully there's no beast over here dwelling. It's a little bit of mud, it's okay. There's some dog shit up here. Hopefully it's not from a coyote, because then it'd be coyote shit. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoo. Here we go. Boom, boom. It's a little slippery. Gotta take it easy just a little bit. Okay, nice. Whoa, oh! Wow, guys, what the hell was that? What the hell? All right. Damn, I just hurt my hand too. Oh my God. I went over the front end, guys. Dang, I wish I had a freaking instant replay of that. Poor Tesco. I'm so sorry. Oh, dude, my freaking hands hurt like hell. Oh. The bike still has power, but damn, she is dirty, guys. And apparently it looks like we have a lowrider bike now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let's pull up the website, see what we're working with. Oh, my thumb is actually broken. Oh, make sure we're not being crept on by a mountain lion. All right, guys, this is the Tesco STT Strength e-bike. This is a 20 by 4 inch folding fat tire e-bike. The current price is $16.49. Check the video description down below. I might have some promo codes for you guys. So according to the company, this bike has a 1,000 watt motor capable of 95 Newton meters of torque. All right, the top speed on this bike is 28 miles per hour. As far as range, they're saying you can get anywhere between 40 to 70 miles. That is due to it having an 840 watt hour battery. That is equivalent to, I have no idea. The max load on this bike is 330 pounds. Shout out to my biggie boys. So as you scroll down on the website, oh, come on, you mother. Like I was saying, as you scroll further down on the website, they're stating that the max power of the motor is 1,000 watts. So I would assume that this motor is a 750 watt motor. There it is. The battery is a 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour battery, all right? The weight of the bike is 67 pounds. It's kind of heavy, kind of not. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. My freaking thumb is throbbing. I'm gonna go home and ice it. We'll see you guys in the next video. And until then, deuces like that. Yay!